Hi, this is Will Johnson. I'm a construction mortgage broker here in California. So today I wanted to talk about many programs available for energy efficiency, all electric construction and renovations. So California Energy Smart Homes program is available for new construction and renovations. They're available for single family, duplex, townhomes, and accessory dwelling units, as well as multifamily. So these incentives are available on a per unit basis. So when we're talking about an all electric design, we are taking advantage of the highly energy efficient heat pump technologies for your furnace and your water heater and even your clothes dryer. And for cooking, we're going to utilize the highly energy efficient electric induction cooktops. I'm keeping this brief, but we're tracking all of this information to keep you better informed. For more information, please follow our links and stay tuned. And thank you.